Phrases and expressions to answer when asked how you are. Hey there. Are you tired of saying, "I'm fine, thanks," every time someone asks how are you? Well, today I'll teach you 10 natural ways to answer this question like a native speaker. Let's go. I'm good, thanks. Classic, simple, and always safe. Phrases and expressions.
How are you?
I'm good, thanks.
How are you doing? I'm good, thanks. How are you?
How are you?
I'm good.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you, Janet?
How are you?
I'm good, yeah. How are you?
I'm good, thanks.
Good. How are you doing?
I'm good, thanks.
Hi, Sasha. How are you?
I'm good, thanks.
Howard?
Good, thanks.
I'm doing very well. Thanks. A bit more formal, great for work or polite settings. Phrases and expressions.
Doing?
I'm doing really, really well. Thank you.
I'm doing very well. Thank you. Thank you.
Griffin. Hello. This is Griffin. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you, ma'am.
Good.
And I'm doing very well, too. Thank you for asking.
How you doing, bud?
I'm doing well, thank you, bud.
Hello, how do you do?
Very well, thank you.
Very, very well, thank you.
How are you settling in?
Very well, thank you, ma'am.
So I'm doing very well.
I'm not doing so good. Honest and casual. Use it when you're feeling a bit down. Phrases and expressions.
How are you?
I'm not doing so good right now.
Not so good, Robert. Not so good.
And, not doing so good, man.
I'm not doing so good myself.
But I'm just working here on my examinations, and I'm not doing so good.
Honestly, I'm not so good. How about you?
I'm not doing so good.
How you doing? You're not doing so good?
I'm not so good. I'm scared.
About what?
I'm not doing so well. Same meaning, just a little more formal than not so good. Phrases and expressions.
I'm not doing so well.
No, that you were doing so well.
I'm not doing well.
Not doing so well. You know, my uncle, he's not doing so well. He's got a bad reaction to that chemo.
He's not doing so well, though.
My grandmother's not doing so well.
Not doing so well.
Averaging $6,500. That's money I can just squeak by with.
He's not doing so well, so we moved him.
Same as always. Perfect if your life is on repeat. Phrases and expressions.
Same as always.
Same as always.
Same as always, they're watching TV.
You look same as always.
That's going a little far.
How was your trip?
Same as it always is.
Wait. How do I look? The same as you always look?
Merry Christmas, baby. We're all here.
Here, I'll take
Same as always.
How was London?
Great.
Where'd you stay?
With Dee Dee, same as always.
I've been so busy lately. Great if you want to give a little more detail. Phrases and expressions.
Yeah, I've been pretty busy lately.
Seems you've been very busy lately.
Yes, I've been so busy.
Sorry it's been so long. I've been so busy.
So where you been, pal? You don't return my calls.
I've been busy.
You've been busy.
So busy lately, I actually forgot about it.
I've been busy.
I was wondering when you would call. I've been busy.
I've been under so much stress. Real talk. It shows you're going through something. Phrases and expressions.
I've been under a lot of stress lately. Haven't gotten much sleep.
I've been under a lot of stress lately, and
But I've been under a lot of stress, too. Can you even begin to imagine what it's been like for me?
I've just been under a lot of stress lately with school.
Been under a lot of stress.
Oh, you've been under a lot of stress.
Look, I've been under a lot of stress recently, and I'd really like to prove to you that I'm not a complete psychopath.
Do you know how much stress I've been under lately?
I've been feeling a lot of stress lately.
Everything's fine. Neutral. It's like saying, I'm okay, nothing special. Phrases and expressions.
Hey, sweetie, how's everything?
Everything's fine.
Everything's not fine.
Honey, everything's fine. Everything's fine.
Jackie, I said, how's it going?
Fine. Everything's fine. Everything's fine.
Is everything okay?
Everything's fine.
I'm just calling to say that, everything's fine.
Not much. When asked, what's happening, or what's up, it means, nothing special is going on. Phrases and expressions.
Malcolm, what's shaking?
Yeah, not much, Gary. How are you? She look fantastic.
Well, I'll say.
What's up, Doc? Not much. How are you?
Not much. Not much.
Nothing.
How much do you know about Davy Jones?
Not much.
What are they doing about it?
Not much. You do anything else?
Not much.
Everything's good. Casual and positive. Phrases and expressions.
Everything all right?
Everything's good.
The show was good. The audience was good. Everything's good.
Everything is good.
Everything's good.
Really?
Yeah, everything's good, Stevie.
Great. Everything's good.
Quick recap. Today, you learned 10 real ways to answer the question, how are you? Let's go over them one more time. I'm good. Thanks. I'm doing very well. I'm not doing so good. I'm not doing so well. Same as always. I've been so busy lately. I've been under so much stress. Everything's fine. Not much. Everything's good. Try to practice 2 or 3 of these today. Use them with a friend. Or say them out loud to yourself. The more you use them, the more natural they'll become. Try answering in the comments using one of these phrases. Or better, make your own sentence with one. I'll be reading. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more real English. See you next time.